Assalamu alaikum, dear student of LGS school. This is grade 8 metric lesson. Subject is computer. I'm your teacher, Father Sool. So it's our week 1 of a new grade 8 metric class. Let's start with the first topic, that is type of transmission, the physical transmission media. Now, first of all, what is physical transmission media? Physical transmission media is the one through which we are getting internet services, or through which we are getting connection. Like we have our DSL, we have our Wi-Fi device modem, but it is working on some wires. So through which we are getting our connection, that is our physical media, the wires. All right. Now, the first type of physical transmission media, that is your twisted pair cable. Now, what is twisted pair cable? This type of cable has pair of twisted cable. Twisted pair wire consists of two strands of copper twisted together. Therefore, it is called twisted pair cable. The insulated copper wires are twisted in pairs and coated by plastic. All right. You might have seen your extension wire. There are two wires, right? One is positive and other one is negative. Or you have seen the other wires who have two wires together. So what will happen? One is negative and one is positive. So the one which have two wires, that is called your twisted pair cable. That is called twisted pair cable. Now the next one is a coaxial cable. A coaxial cable is an insulated cable covered by at least 3 layers, including insulating material, woven metal and plastic coating. It is used to carry high frequency data signals such as voice, images, video and text. We have cable like TV cable, which we pay to the transmission media channel, and we ask them to set up a cable connection in our home, and we see the cable connection in our TV. So the cable wire, the black wire, it consists of 3 layers. The first one is your insulating material. The second one is woven metal, and the third one is plastic coating. And after plastic coating, you see only one small wire, that is your coaxial cable. All right, the TV cable wire, that is your coaxial cable wire. And the last one is fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable is consist of glass fiber in the layer of glass cladding and protective outer jacket. It is made up of glass, and it is very fast in connection. We are using 3G, 4G and even 5G nowadays, and the connection which we are getting through the transmission media, physical transmission media, that is your fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable is very fast in traveling or sending connection, so the high speed which we are getting in 3G, 4G, 5G, that is because of fiber optic cable, because it is very fast in transmitting media. Okay, now let's take a look at the type of network. The first one is local area network. Local area network, basically it is a smaller group of computer connected in a localized area. For example, in a building, office, etc. is called local area network. Suppose if we have a internet connection in our school, and in our computer lab there is an internet connection and our computers are connected with each other, that is called your local area network. And in simple words, local is the one which travel within a city. Okay, local connection is the one which travels within a city. Okay, so that is your local area network. Now the metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network is an interconnection of multiple lands within a city, and sometimes more than city as well. So metropolitan area network is bigger in size. It connects one city with another. Like Quetta is connected with Karachi, Karachi is connected with Lahore, Lahore is connected with Peshawar, Peshawar is connected with Islamabad, and Islamabad is connected with Gwadar. So every city is connected with each other. So that is the work of metropolitan area network. It connects, it is bigger in size than local area network, and it connects one city with another. And the last one is wide area network. Wide area network is a very large computer network spread across cities and countries. A WAN combines many LAN and WAN. So wide area network is the largest area network in which we connect one country with each other, or one continent with, like Asia with Europe and everything. So it connects one country with the other world. It is the biggest one. It is the largest one, largest area network through which we get internet. So these are the three types of network: LAN, MAN, and WAN. So I hope it is clear to you all. It is a small lesson. So if you've got any query, you can ask your coordinator and me, and I will answer you in the next class. All right. Thank you so much.